In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping over $35 or any amount you choose on Shopify. Let's get started right from your Shopify admin dashboard. After you log in, look down at the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Shopify keeps most of the behind-the-scenes controls for your store, including shipping, payments, and other important configurations. Once you're inside the settings page, look to the menu on the left side. Find the option that says Shipping and Delivery and click on it. This section is where you manage how your orders are shipped, which rates customers see at checkout, and any special rules like free shipping thresholds. On the Shipping and Delivery page, look for the first card at the top labeled Shipping. Inside that card, you'll see an area called General Shipping Rates. Click on that text. This will open your main shipping profile, where your current shipping zones and rates are set up. Now that you're inside your shipping profile, scroll down until you see your shipping zones. A shipping zone is basically a group of countries or regions that share the same shipping options. Under each zone, you'll see the list of shipping rates that customers can get, such as standard or express shipping. Here, you have two choices. If you want to create a brand new rate that will become your free shipping option, click the Add Rate button. If you already have a rate that you'd like to turn into a conditional free shipping rate, find that existing rate, click the three horizontal dots on the right side, and then choose Edit Rate. Either way, a pop-up window will appear where you can adjust the details of that shipping rate. In this pop-up, look for the price field, and just below it, click on Add Conditional Pricing. From the options that appear, choose Based on Price. This tells Shopify that this shipping rate should only apply when the order total reaches a certain amount. Next, set the minimum price to $35 or whatever amount you want to use as your free shipping threshold. In the maximum price field, you can leave it blank so it applies to any order above that amount, or set it to a very high number if you prefer a specific range. When you're done, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm your settings. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. This step is crucial because your changes won't go live until you save them. Once that's done, your Shopify store will automatically offer free shipping on orders over your chosen amount.